In this video guide, learn how to embed YouTube video in HTML. All right. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. Okay, first you need to create a folder. So let me open my file explorer. Then let me create a folder here in the documents. So let me call this new folder, let me call it YouTube or YT code, all right? YTHTML. So just give it the name of your choice, enter. All right, so I'll double click this for it to open, but there's no need. All right, so let's use a VS code editor to do this. You can use another code editor for this, but let's just use a VS code. So I'll click here, search here, VS Code. All right. I've already installed it. So if you don't have anyone you're using, install this VS Code on your PC. It's available in Microsoft Store and on the web. All right. All right. So we are landed on this page. So let's go and import that folder we created. I'll click on this. Open folder. That's what I'm supposed to click here. Where is open folder? This is what you need to select. So let's get to documents. We call that YouTube HTML. All right, this is it. Click on this once. Select folder. All right, so this gives us this pop-up. I will say yes, trust the author. And we are here. So let's create our HTML file. All right, inside this folder. So take your cursor here. This is new file icon. Click on it. And let's call this YouTube video. Okay, let's say YT video. All right, just call it any name of your choice. Dot html. All right, dot html. That's very important. Press the enter key. All right, so you are landed on this command line. So let's now announce that this is HTML code you want to create. So type ht. It will show you some suggestions. So here, let's work with HTML5. So I'll click on it. All right, so you are likely to insert this video, embed this YouTube video in the body section. Okay, so this is where you're likely to add that video in the body section of your website. If you're working on the website directly, you're likely to have the video here. All right, so here is a sample. So let me tell you what to do. So get to the YouTube video. So let me open my web browser. In this case, there is a video I want us to work with. So YouTube. This is the video I want us to work with in this case. All right. You can copy this link and go and put it there, but it will not work because that is not the standard YouTube wants you to use to embed HTML. All right. Video for their own. All right. So what you need to do is come down to this section and click on share. Once you open the video, click on share. This gives you some options. Look at this embed. Click on it. Now, this generates some codes that you can embed in your HTML or in your website. All right, if you're working on your website, this is the code you're going to place where you want the video to play. All right, so click on copy. All right, this highlights this code. Copy again. All right, it has been copied. So get to your website or to your HTML, just as we are working here. We are working with HTML. Control V to paste it. So if it's on your website, Control V to paste the code. And the video will play when somebody is reading your content. So now that we have pasted the code, I'll click on File and click on Save. All right, this has been saved. So let me get back to my file explorer for you to see how this will look on the web. Documents, and we get down to, what's the name of the folder again? YouTube HTML. Double click. Then I'll click on this once. I'll right click on it and then select open with. Let's go with Google Chrome. And this is the video. So this is how you embed YouTube video in HTML or on a website. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel because here we cover a lot, including coding. All right, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. Watch this video here to learn coding in easy and simple way. All right, thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.